Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today's video it's about Uthando Nesithembu. Musa said the problem with women, they remember everything that we say. He was talking with his wives. He says so just because he promised Makhumalo that he won't take any wife near their neighborhood. Tombeni broke the promise. He took Usamke Kwela as wife number 5 at Mzumbe KwaMadlala village. Now Makhumalo, she's not happy about what Mtombeni did. She ended up taking her own decision not to connect with wife number 5. Worst part that make Makhumalo to betray is when Samke came from KwaMadlala village, she knows her very well, including her entire family. And on the other side, there's Umayeni who also saying there's nothing that connect her with wife number 5. She said Mtombeni took wife number 5 for himself. After she found out that wife number 5, she's from KwaMadlala, Mayeni asks Musa why he chose wife number 5 from KwaMadlala. Tombeni said he chose KwaMadlala not for beauty, but chose a person who raised by respect. It's where Mayeni gave Tombeni permission to do whatever he want to do with wife number 5 without her consent. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.